Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the short itself, so play the clip at normal volume. Once it's playing, tap the three-dot menu or the share icon to look for built-in sound info. Some creators tag the track. If nothing appears, immediately open your phone's song identification tool, Shazam or Sound Search, and let it listen while the short plays. This simultaneous action is fast and reliable, and it avoids background noise that can confuse the ID algorithm. Once you've started the ID app, let it listen for about 5 to 10 seconds. That's usually enough for a confident match. If the app fails, don't panic. Record a short screen capture or phone recording of the short so you can retry in a quieter environment or try another recognition app. Also, type a few clear lyric phrases into Google or hum the melody into its mic search. These manual steps often catch tracks that automated ID miss. You found a candidate title, so confirm it by checking two sources: the ID app's result and the short's description or comments, because creators often link songs. Once confirmed, use your preferred streaming service to save or share the track. If you still can't identify the song, retry in a quieter room, update your recognition apps, or switch apps. Sometimes a second listen or a different algorithm yields the correct match. That troubleshooting step fixes most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.